take over your job and carry on following?
Well, certainly there are a lot of people associated with me. I can't alone do it. There are people who prepare the papers, people who assist me, people who bring me data, bring me materials, analysis, go through the financial side, all that. I've also now set up a television station called Krishna TV, which you can see details in krishnatv.net, to try and propagate through that to win over people to come in this struggle. And then of course it will also be Sanatan Dharma in that. And if any of you NRIs, there's a question about what NRIs can do, you can support it. How to support it, you can read in the website. Otherwise here all the papers I've left with Guru Vaiyappan, who is sitting here, and Lakshmi, Rajya Lakshmi. These people are fully aware of the project and what needs to be done. So these are the ways. It's not. But I tell you one thing: if you look at Indian history, at any moment of time, there's only one person who's done it. The sustainability of what he has done, you need a big team. Like Mahatma Gandhi created a very big team. So his success in the freedom struggle translated into a government which showed that we could govern ourselves.
Now,